Hey, what's going on? In this video, we're going to discuss how to save money for investment. In this show, we talk about entrepreneurship and investing for value. It's all about value add. So let's get to it. Look, the way I was able to save money is that I had a room living in the Bronx of New York City. I was paying about $400 a month in rent, very small room, just had a bed in there, small little TV. I had a job at a restaurant as a runner. I was making $600 a week, so that's about $2,400 a month. And so I saved up about $7,000 to $8,000 doing that strategy. Now, I kept my out food at a minimum. I didn't eat a lot of out food. I did not have a car, and I didn't buy a lot of clothes. And so with this money, I was able to start my investment, if you call it. So pretty much, if you've seen in my other videos, I was able to rent out a 2-bedroom apartment for $1,700 a month. So I was able to save first month's rent, last month's rent, and security. Then I had a little bit of money left over to buy all the furniture I needed to rent it out, and then I rented out each bed. So that's how I started. Now, you got to realize that the only reason why you're going to save money is to make an investment. Now, you don't necessarily need to make an investment the way I did it. You don't have to buy a 2-bedroom. You do not have to rent out a 2-bedroom apartment. But there are many investments that you can make to help get some cash flow. Like for instance, which is something similar to what I did. Now, there are many ways to make income. You have Airbnb. You have this new car app called Turo. You have buying and selling. You have reselling. You can do drop shipping. I mean, it is countless businesses you can get into for the amount of money that you can save to help double your money, triple your money, and to eventually get out that job you're working at. The name of the game is you need to make short-term sacrifices for long-term success. So you're not going to be able to eat out food every day. You're not going to be able to get the car you want right now. You're not going to be able to live in the apartment that you want to get into right now. You have to make those sacrifices so down the road you can afford those things by investing your money into things that create passive income for you. I mean, I don't necessarily call it passive income. I like to just call it income because you got to work for it in some way because you got to look after your investments. You really just want to invest your money where you can double it. That's it, bottom line. Until the next time.